not a bag. Let me put it this way. It's a concept. It's a Hello my lovelies and welcome to channel Raazia Bangs. Thank you ever so much to those who have subscribed and welcome to those who are new to this channel. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Thank you ever so much. Without much further ado, let me dive straight into it. Today I'm going to share with you what has been my holy grail, my go-to, my most useful bag, the best handbag that I have found for 2020. It's not a bag. Let me put it this way. It's a concept. 7 months ago when I got the bag, I got it because I thought it was just cool, trendy and such a chic, casual. This bag really took me by surprise. When I got it, I really wasn't expecting it to really like it so much or use it so much, or I really didn't have a high expectation. I would really use it so much. Right, before I show you what fits in this bag, let me share some pros and cons and share why there are some lovers and haters for this bag. So the main reason I love this bag is it comes with a mini pochette accessoire, which is larger than your usual mini pochette. So this is your usual mini pochette and this is much larger, as you can see. If you would like to compare, this is the pochette accessoire that comes with multi-pochette accessoire, and this is the usual pochette accessoire. And if you can compare, this is almost exactly the same. To get the round coin purse, which again comes with two designs, and not to forget the strap, which is absolutely amazing. It's completely adjustable, it's made of canvas and it's beautiful. Pros of this bag is that especially for those who don't have the pochette accessoire or multi-pochette accessoire, or they have discontinued the round coin purse, you get all these, the hard to get items from Louis Vuitton. One of the most famous items from Louis Vuitton is part of the bag. The second pro is the bag offers you organization. So if I were to grab a bigger bag, I'm more likely to put these pouches in the bag. I'm more likely to put my things in the mini pochette accessoire or pochette accessoire to organize my things. This does it for you. The third pro is, and the biggest pro, is the number of ways you can wear this bag. I have used this bag in every possible way. As an evening bag, together as a bag as it comes, with only mini pochette accessoire or the bigger pouch. So I've used this bag as a beautiful evening purse. You could use it as a small evening purse, or you could use it as a catch-all. Again, the pochette accessoire can be used as how you would use a normal pochette accessoire. Actually, as a shoulder bag, I've used this strap on my other bags. Coin purse, this detaches. This one that I fell in love with Louis Vuitton when I was a teenager, and then I was too young, so I could not get my hands on this, but this bag has allowed me to have this, and this can be used as a charm as well on the other bags. Difference This is the chain for the usual mini pochette, and this is for the multi-pochette accessory. And you can see it's considerably different. Now let me share some cons why people really sit on the fence or don't like this bag. If you're one of those who already own the mini pochette or the usual pochette accessory, you may very well argue that why do you need another bag with mini pochette and the same pochette accessory? Well, good point, but I have to admit this mini pochette is rather large and it does fit your phone and more, much more. It's like a proper mini bag, whereas this mini pochette will definitely not take my phone in. The other con is usually to do with this coin purse. I think people have sometimes complained that they don't like that it dangles right around your chest area. As you can see, I kind of happen to really dig the look. I love it. I don't find it awkward, but that's a personal preference, I have to admit. You could take this off and put it elsewhere, hang it like a charm here or here, and it would work. There is one definite con to this bag, which I consider is, so you can see there's a, if you overfill these bags, they have a tendency to warp a little bit, as you can see, which is not a good look. I don't tend to fill this up so much usually. This is mainly to show you what fits in here. So let's get right into it. So let's see what can fit in the mini pochette. Here I have got a mask, a hand sanitizer, cards. Got quite a few cards in here, roughly around 10. My phone, which is iPhone XS. Lipstick. I've got some receipts and, well, some random tissue paper. So this is all that fits in mini pochette and multi pochette. Let's compare this to normal mini pochette and see how many items can we fit into it. So here we have the usual mini pochette. Will it fit my phone? It kind of does without any. This is the moment I'm going to eat my own words. I didn't know I could actually, this is a revelation, fit my phone in here. But without any case, apparently it does. Wow. So let's go with it. Okay. I can fit the, can I fit the hand sanitizer? There's no way I can fit the cards. Mask. I don't want to fold the mask, so I'm not going to try. Lipstick. I can fit these tissues, and certainly I'll be able to fit in the. And I can certainly. There we go. Right, let's see if I take the phone out. It's a bit tricky to take out so I'm wondering if I really need it. It's going to be quite tricky to take it out. But if I don't put the phone in, then I can surely fit in my cards. I can fit in a few more bits and bobs here. such as another lipstick. Perhaps it might be able to take another lipstick or so. And that's my mini pochette. So it's actually not bad. Everything except the mask and the phone, or mask and my card wallet fit into the mini pochette, is pretty good. Let's see what I've got in the pochette accessory. It's a little bit over full because it's really cold, and normally I don't carry gloves, but it's absolutely freezing here, so I put a pair of gloves, a compact. I've got my glasses just in case, if I'm being optimistic, if it decides to get sunny here. Hand cream. I've got my mini kirigami, which is like a mini catch-all. A lip balm. And I have got the old-fashioned headphones. So this is what I had in my bigger pouch pochette accessory. Let's see if we can put all these items in the usual pochette accessory. Let's try a combination of different items to fit in pochette accessory. If I want to fit in the, so that's the mini pochette, the pouch, the small kirigami that fits in there. I could fit in my phone in here. I'll probably need my headphones. And maybe my sunglasses on top. It is a tight fit and it is warping a little bit. It's probably not a good idea to fit all of this. I usually never carry mini pochette in my pochette accessory. So if I were to use just the bigger pouch, I'm more likely to take my phone, the key pouch, small kirigami, hand cream, perhaps a lip gloss and a lipstick, hand sanitizer, and probably mask, which can fit with no problem. Just shuffle things up a little, and there's a little bit of warping, but not much. It's fairly alright. This is what I'm likely to carry if I were to carry only the bigger pouch. Let's see, to compare, if we can fit all of these items in this pouch. So here goes. Warps a tad, but again, the magic of jiggling, it seems to be fine. So these two are fairly comparable. There is really not a significant difference in how much each can carry. Let's see what I carry in this beautiful coin purse. I usually tend to carry a small lip gloss, some medicine, and really small bits and bobs which I carry with me all the time. So I do find this little coin purse extremely handy because even in mini pochette, these little bits and bobs tend to just get lost. Let me point out, I happen to have a smaller iPhone XS. I think this is the only reason why it can fit in, and that too without the case. If you have a bigger phone than this, then it's definitely not going to fit. You can definitely fit the bigger phone in the mini. Another reason to get your hands on this little beauty is the Louis Vuitton price increases. They seem to have far too many price increases, and these particular pieces seem to go up and up and up in price. I believe the pochette accessories seems to have gone up by £80 roughly, and the mini pochette has gone up by £50 in the recent price increase. This bag itself has gone up by £250, I believe. If you buy these pieces separately, it will definitely cost you more than what this bag will cost you altogether. Is this piece classic or trendy? I believe it is both. The bag itself, the way it is quite trendy. Once the trend has died down, there's absolutely nothing stopping you using these pieces individually, which is classic. Excruciating price range for some canvas bag, and is it still worth to buy this bag? My answer is yes, definitely yes, yes, and yes. For once, the bag as it is pretty trendy. There are so many ways of wearing it. You can use this bag for every occasion, whether it be casual day out, to an evening date, or as a belt bag. You can wear this as a belt bag. Wear it as a belt bag, you will have to use these clips to clip in your pouches. You could use either pouches. So you could clip this like that, and if you clip the other end, this can go around your waist, and once you have it around your waist, you can clip it like so, and that's your belt bag. The bigger pouch as a bum bag or a belt bag or even a sling bag, you'll have to use these clips and the coin purse. So if you clip one of the clips to the pouch, and if you bring this over, you'll have to use the clip here on the coin purse to clip both of these, this ring and this ring on the strap together like so. And you could even use this strap as a belt to go around your dress. So if you're still on the fence, I would really recommend this bag to you. It's such a fun bag. It's a great trendy piece. You can really play around with it, have fun. And fashion is to have fun and enjoy and look good. This bag does all of that. I hope you found this video helpful. Please click like, subscribe, or let me know in the comments what you think. And let me know in the comments what you think of this bag. Do you like it? Do you hate it? What do you think? Till next time, take care. Bye.